This tutorial review will show you how to lock your Netflix profile on iPhone. To restrict access to a specific profile on your account, you can protect it with a profile lock pin. To add a pin to a specific profile, first of all, open a browser and open netflix.com. Then log into your account and then go to the account page. Open the profile and parental control settings for the profile you want to lock. Change the profile lock setting. Enter your Netflix account password. Check the box to require a PIN to access the selected profile. Enter phone numbers to create your profile lock PIN. Unless you are using an unsupported device, you will enter this PIN to open the profile or play titles downloaded from it. To require a PIN anytime a new profile is added to your account, select Require PIN to add new profiles. Then tap on Save. Your device may require a refresh to pick up the updated settings, so refresh. And that's how you will be able to lock your Netflix profile on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.